Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all for coming along to watch my video. I really do appreciate. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking tilapia fish. You can see the one that is ready. This is what I made. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ingredients that I used. This is the tilapia fish and it's fresh, already washed, and I'm going to start working on it. I'm going to be using Scotch bonnet pepper and onion, and I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of paprika, and this is my onion powder. And I'm going to be adding garlic salt to it. Now the pepper and the onion is blended. I'm going to be mixing the paprika into it, the onion and the garlic salt, and I'm going to mix everything together. As you know that tilapia is it has this freshwater taste that you have to really season it very well to get rid of those taste. Okay, so you have to make your sauce spicy. It depends on you. I like mine to be very hot so that the sauce can get into the fish. So after mixing, I will now go ahead and start pouring the sauce into the fish. So now the paprika, onion powder and garlic salt is being mixed into the grinded pepper and onion. So I have to cut the fish so that those sauce can penetrate inside. This is the only way you can get the sauce into the fish. Now I'm going to be digging the peppered sauce into the fish. Make sure you try as much as possible to get it inside. Now the fish is marinated with the peppered sauce. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes. It depends on you. You can keep it for over an hour, even over the night. So mine is going to stay for a few minutes. And I'm going to put it in the halogen oven. I had to set it for 1 minute. And after 44 seconds, the fish is ready. So it took less than 1 minute to prepare the fish. When you are in a rush to prepare your fish, this is the best oven to use. I think this is faster than the air fryer because the fish got ready within 44 seconds. So you have to garnish it with any of your garnishing choice. I used chopped tomato, onion, and some kale, fried and seasoned. So thank you guys for coming. See you in my next video. Bye.